Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are starting a new series. This series here is actually my K-pop DIY series, and I am super excited for this one. All the supplies you're going to need is some picture frames, spray paint, and any of your extra duplicate albums you have. You want to make sure you use duplicates because you won't be able to use these albums after you do this DIY. So first things first, if you're like me and you want to change the color of one of your picture frames, you're going to spray paint it. I did get all my supplies from the dollar store as well as Walmart for the two bigger picture frames. And then you will just pretty much spray paint anything you need to spray paint. And then after you do that, you're going to take any of the duplicate albums you have. So for example, this first one here is my VAV one. And I decided to take Thrillakilla and their latest single, Give Me More, and basically make a duo of VAV. And all you got to do is actually tape the back of the album to the back of, or the insert of, the picture frame, and then from there all you do is just put the picture frame back together and pin it down, and boom, you have a picture of your albums. It's as simple as that. It's a lot of fun. You get to kind of play around and use your creativity. This is also something that if you're like me and you collect a lot of albums, you have like the repackage, you go on hunts for photo cards. If there's like a certain bias group, you can actually make pictures of each bias group. So that's kind of the whole point for me here. I wanted to have a new room decor, especially because I'm redoing my room and I want to have some more K-pop things throughout my room. And I decided to just use my extra CDs that I have, like duplicate CDs, and make some pictures with them. And it's just really cool and it's fun. I mean, if you did like Monster X, they have the Spotlight version that the CD actually has a different member on each of them. You could totally make like a above the door picture frame of all of those. If you have every single one of them of all members, you could do something like that. And it's just the whole point is just kind of messing around and seeing what you like and what you don't like, and being able to actually put your duplicate albums on display. I do recommend, if you want to make a picture frame that has 6 CDs in it, that you actually use a 14 by 16 frame. The one that I'm currently using is an actually 11 by 14 frame, and I do wish I did the 14 by 16 for my EXO one that I made, because I ended up using 6 CDs for it and I ended up having to overlap them. Now, it doesn't look bad. I just would have liked to have white space around all of the CDs, just for the mere fact that I feel like it would have made it look a lot cleaner and not like collagey with the albums. But I do like it anyways with the way that I did overlap it, so it wasn't that big of a deal for me. So yeah. Alrighty guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as if there's any groups that you would like to see a DIY from, or any kind of room decor or school DIYs or anything like that. Comment down below and let me know, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.